Review how to get a bigger butt fast. The right lifestyle, eating habits and exercise routines can go a long way to naturally help enhance the shape and size of your buttocks. The process of achieving the bigger buttocks isn't always straightforward and relies on working both the hip fat and hip muscles. The more the muscles are given a workout, the easier it will be to achieve the toned look. Also, if there is a lot of fat in that area of your body, you will need to change the diet to help shed excess weight. Here are a few of the natural ways for a bigger buttocks. 1. Food. Whether you are looking to maintain, gain or lose weight, a practical start to this process is to make appropriate changes to your diet. A basic area to start is to make sure processed or junk foods are removed from the diet. Plus, this type of food is generally unhealthy, and can lead to increased body fat all round. Additionally, a diet can benefit from protein foods like fish, soy, beef, beans, nuts, eggs and chicken. The increased protein intake is useful when it comes to building muscle on the buttocks. Plus, a well-planned diet is useful to maintain the preferred healthy weight, regulate hormones, and supply the body with what it needs to grow. 2. Exercise. Exercise is an essential part of toning or building muscle on the body. While it isn't necessary to complete the torturous cardio session several times per week, it is necessary to use the exercises that target the desired muscles. For instance, the gluteus muscles are best toned with exercises like lunges, deadlifts, kickbacks and squats. 3. Supplements. There are a variety of supplements and natural herbs that can be useful in making the buttock area bigger. The preferred types of supplement are rich in phytoestrogens, which has the ability to up the levels of estrogen in the body. Supplements like fish oil, maca root extract, and bovine ovary are among the choices that include the right ingredients to help achieve the desired curves. Overall, for an all-round approach to enhance the buttock area, it is practical to take the three-way approach of adjusting the diet, exercising, and taking appropriate supplements. I would also like to recommend you check out this amazing website for women, Yoga Booty Challenge. Click the link below this video in the description box for more details today.